Arizona now. A rancher will be in court today for allegedly shooting and killing a Mexican man on his property. This was an immigrant, allegedly. George Allen Kelly, facing a first-degree murder charge, and 2 new counts of aggravated assault were just added against him. Kelly says he fired warning shots at a group of what he calls smugglers who were armed with AK-47s, and that there's no way he could have actually hit someone from the front porch of his house where he fired that rifle. Allie Bradley is in Nogales, Arizona, where Kelly will be in court in just a few hours. Kind of windy where you are, too, Allie.
Yeah, you're exactly right. Very windy out here this morning, Adrienne. But we're out here ahead of that court hearing as George Allen Kelly is now facing aggravated assault charges, 2 counts in addition to the first-degree murder charge that he was already facing. And those charges here come from a local sheriff who is saying that for the first time, there are 2 additional victims here in this situation, only being identified as their initials. So let's walk you through what happened. 24 days ago, a 74-year-old says that he fired his rifle into the air in self-defense after hearing a gunshot from inside of his home and seeing men in camouflage moving through the trees on his property. Now, court documents show Kelly called Border Patrol. When they arrived alongside sheriff's deputies, Kelly's wife told them that she had seen armed men carrying backpacks near their house as well. Now, they didn't find anything on an initial search when they were looking on the property, but hours later, Kelly is the one who found the body and is the one who alerted officials. The man who officials say was unarmed was identified as 48-year-old Gabriel Quen Butamea, who lives just on the other side of the border in Nogales. Now, I spoke with George Allen Kelly's wife, Wanda Kelly. She briefly told me that she set up a Give, Send, Go fundraiser for her husband. She says she calls her husband of 52 years, Alan, and he is devoted to his family, his animals, and his home. She says, quote, Alan and I are living a nightmare. He has been accused of a serious crime, and he is innocent. Now, the page that Wanda has set up has a goal of about $50,000. She has raised just under $3,000 for legal expenses and other expenses that have come up. Now, Adrienne, Kelly did request that $1 million bond be reduced. However, that request was not granted. He was trying to be able to go home and be with his wife, who is tending to that ranch right now on her own. Now, again, that request was not granted. He will be in court this morning at 9 o'clock for that preliminary hearing, and we will be there.
Such an emotional story, Allie. I was reading up on this one, and the fact is that so many ranchers, those close to the border, are seeing people cross their property and fearing for their families, fearing for their livestock. Again, we don't know all the details. We're going to learn more in this case. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.